We understand that mobility is an essential aspect of daily life, and that's why we've compiled a list of the best mobility scooters available on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a compact option for indoor use or a heavy-duty scooter for outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. Our team has thoroughly researched and tested each product to ensure that it meets our standards for quality, durability, and ease of use. So, without further ado, here are our top picks for the best mobility scooters on Amazon. In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mobility scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Glashau Foldable Mobility Scooter. If you're looking for a reliable and durable mobility scooter, the Glashau Foldable Mobility Scooter is a great option. Pros. With a 36V 12Ah battery, you can travel up to 25 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long-distance travel. The all-terrain riding capability of this scooter is impressive, thanks to its powerful 250W brushless motor and large wheels, 9 front and 10 rear, that can conquer obstacles up to 2.76 inches high. The foldable design of this mobility scooter is convenient and easy to use, with a fast folding mechanism that allows you to stow it inside a car trunk. It's lightweight and mobile, weighing just 70.5 pounds, yet very durable. Cons. The Glashau Foldable Mobility Scooter may not be suitable for individuals who require a higher weight capacity, as it can only support up to 265 pounds. The price point of this scooter may be a bit steep for some individuals who are on a tight budget. While the LED headlight and horn are convenient and safe features, they may not be as bright or loud as some individuals may prefer. This mobility scooter is designed with your comfort and safety in mind, boasting a generously padded 15.75 seat with raisable armrests for a comfortable riding experience. The intuitive controls and large dashboard screen make it easy to navigate with confidence, while the automatic speed adjustments on slopes and turns provide added safety and security. Overall, we highly recommend the Glashau Foldable Mobility Scooter for anyone in need of a reliable and durable mobility scooter that can handle long-distance travel and all-terrain riding. Number 2. SuperHandy 3-Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter. If you're looking for a lightweight mobility scooter that's easy to transport and maneuver, the SuperHandy 3-Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter might be the perfect fit for you. Pros. The scooter is lightweight and easy to transport, with a collapsible design that can be quickly disassembled into 5 lightweight pieces that easily fit in the trunk of an average-sized sedan. The scooter is equipped with a manual fast-acting drum brake system, allowing for quick braking in dire situations. The scooter comes with 2 SuperHandy 48V Li-ion batteries, giving you over 6 miles of range with each battery. When one battery runs out of juice, easily swap in a newly charged one and go. Cons. The scooter has a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds, which might not be enough for some users. The scooter has a total range of up to 6.5 miles, 10 kilometers, or 1 hour 45 minutes per full battery charge, which might not be enough for users who need to travel longer distances. The scooter is classified as a non-medical device and is not intended to assist, treat, diagnose, or alleviate any medical condition or disability. We were impressed with the SuperHandy 3-Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter's portability and maneuverability. The scooter's collapsible design makes it easy to transport, and its 3-wheel design provides easy maneuverability in tight spaces with a sharp turning radius when navigating over any smooth surface with comfort and ease with our flat-free solid non-marking rubber tires. We also appreciated the scooter's swap-and-go battery power, which allowed us to easily swap out batteries for longer trips. However, we did notice a few downsides to the scooter. The maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds might not be enough for some users, and the total range of up to 6.5 miles, 10 kilometers, or 1 hour 45 minutes per full battery charge might not be enough for users who need to travel longer distances. Additionally, the scooter is classified as a non-medical device and is not intended to assist, treat, diagnose, or alleviate any medical condition or disability, so users with medical needs might need to look elsewhere. Overall, we recommend the SuperHandy 3-wheel folding mobility scooter for users who need a lightweight and portable mobility scooter for short trips. However, users who need to travel longer distances or have medical needs might need to look elsewhere. Number 3. Vive Mobility Scooter. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use mobility scooter, the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is definitely worth considering. Pros. The scooter is designed to safely support up to 265 pounds, making it a great option for a wide range of users. The comfortable seating and backrest provide gentle cushioning and support, and the swivel seat rotates for easy entry and exit. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to set the maximum speed, change direction, turn on the headlight, and check the battery life at a glance. Cons. The scooter base can be heavy and difficult to maneuver when disassembled, which could be a challenge for some users. The maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour may be slower than some users would prefer. The 8 tires may not be suitable for all terrains, so you may need to be cautious when using the scooter on rough or uneven surfaces. We recently had the opportunity to test out the Vive Mobility scooter, and we were impressed by its overall performance and ease of use. The scooter is designed to be both durable and safe, with easy grip, flat-free tires that can handle a variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. One of the standout features of the Vive scooter is its comfortable seating and backrest. The wide, padded seat provides ample cushioning and support, and the swivel design makes it easy to get on and off the scooter without straining your back. The height-adjustable seat can be customized to fit your needs, and the 2 padded armrests can be adjusted and flipped up for added convenience. Another great feature of the Vive scooter is its intuitive control panel. The variable speed dial allows you to set the maximum speed, while the forward/reverse switch makes it easy to change direction. The headlight is a nice touch for added visibility, and the battery life indicator is color-coded for easy monitoring. While there are a few potential drawbacks to the Vive scooter, we think it's a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable and easy-to-use mobility scooter. With its comfortable seating, intuitive controls, and easy portability, the Vive scooter is definitely worth considering. Number 4. VOCIC Mobility-Scooters-for-Adults. If you're looking for a reliable and safe mobility scooter, the VOCIC Mobility-Scooters-for-Adults is definitely worth considering. Pros. The ergonomic design of the seat and backrest provides enhanced comfort and easy onboarding and offboarding. Equipped with anti-tip wheels and electromagnetic braking system, the scooter guarantees immediate stops and safety. With a tight turning radius, the scooter provides unbeatable maneuverability in crowded spaces or tight corners. Cons. The maximum speed of 3.75 miles per hour may not be suitable for those looking for a faster ride. The load capacity of 265 pounds may not be sufficient for those needing a higher weight capacity. The scooter may be too heavy for some users to lift and transport. The VOCIC Mobility-Scooters-for-Adults is designed with user-friendly features that make it easy to operate and travel with. The control panel is intuitive and includes a colorful battery indicator, a horn, a headlight switch, a speed control knob, and a lock switch. The scooter can travel up to 13 miles per charge, making it great for outdoor travel and grocery store shopping. One of the standout features of the VOCIC Mobility-Scooters-for-Adults is its all-terrain capabilities. The shock-absorbing system and sturdy build provide a smooth and stable ride on uneven sidewalks, grassy parks, or bumpy roads. The rearview mirrors ensure enhanced visibility of the surroundings, making every ride secure and peaceful. The scooter is also portable for travel, with a total weight of 92 pounds and the ability to quickly disassemble into 4 separate pieces for easy storage and transport. The folding tiller, removable seat, and basket make it convenient to use and store in almost any car or truck. In conclusion, the VOCIC Mobility-Scooters-for-Adults is a reliable and safe mobility scooter that offers enhanced comfort, safety, and maneuverability. It is user-friendly and portable, making it great for outdoor travel and grocery store shopping. If you're looking for a mobility scooter that can handle all terrain and provide a smooth and stable ride, the VOCIC Mobility-Scooters-for-Adults is definitely worth considering. Number 5. 800W Heavy-Duty Mobility Scooter. This heavy-duty mobility scooter is designed for seniors and adults needing a high weight capacity and all-terrain capability. It boasts a powerful 800W motor, an extended battery life, and a sturdy build that supports up to 500 pounds. With its remote keys, charger, and rugged tires, it offers both convenience and independence. Key features: 800W motor, provides strong acceleration and can handle inclines in rough terrain. 500 pounds weight capacity, built for larger users, ensuring stability and durability. All-terrain tires, designed to navigate various surfaces like grass, gravel, and pavement. Long battery life, a single charge offers extended travel distances. Comfortable seating, features a wide cushioned seat with armrests for added support. Remote key access, adds security and ease of use. Heavy-duty frame, ensures stability and long-term use. Pros: powerful and durable, handles tough terrains better than standard scooters. High weight capacity, ideal for heavier users. Secure and easy to operate, remote keys offer extra convenience. Comfortable design, padded seat and ergonomic controls. Good battery range, covers long distances on a single charge. Cons: bulky and heavy, may be difficult to transport in small vehicles. Pricey, more expensive than standard mobility scooters. Longer charging time, large battery may take a while to fully charge. Limited indoor use, its size and power make it less maneuverable indoors.